Hey, I've been running some competitions at work with the aim of getting people to get to know each other better. So it started off with, I was running a competition where every day for a week or so there would be 2 truths and a lie about one of the people at work written down in the lunchroom, and people had to pick which one was the lie. And so, new person every day for a week, and then the person who correctly picked the most lies would then win a prize at the end of the week. So I've run that a few times now, and then I was going to run another one, but I thought I'd change it up and do something a little bit different. So this last one, we've had a screenshot of someone's YouTube homepage with all the videos that are recommended to them, and you have to guess who it is from a list of 3 people. So it's quite interesting because you get to know a bit about someone from what they've been watching on YouTube, and the kind of things they like. And it also encourages people to ask them questions and see what they're into. So that's been really good. It's been going really well for the last 2 weeks, and so I have just finished making a prize for the winner. So it's a little trophy. So it's a YouTube play button with the winner's name there. So it's made out of 3 parts. The first part being the play button, which is a little tab here which goes into the hole on here, like so. This is printed with 2 colours, so obviously the white and the red, so you can see on the side there's a colour change. And then we have the base, and then we have a name tag. So I printed out these 2 parts before I knew who the winner was, so the name tag is a separate piece. Printed out in 2 different colour styles. I'm not sure which one I'll actually use yet, because that style looks a little bit too red. Not sure about it. And then this one, the red writing doesn't really show through very well. I'm not very happy with the red filament that I got. So this is eSun red. And it's not a very nice shade of red. It's like a little bit orange. It doesn't show up very nicely. I have some other Prusa filament that's red, and it comes out way nicer, but I didn't have enough left to be able to print this thing, unfortunately. So I will assemble this up, just glue it all together, glue the parts together, and give it to the winner. It's been quite a good competition to run at work, getting people to talk to each other more and get to know more about the other people at work. So I recommend it, run it at your own workplace or amongst your own group of friends or something. It's, little fun little activity. So yeah, thanks for watching.